G'day guys, I'm down here today with Will from Engine Carbon Clean, and we're going to carry out this Stage 2 clean on this 2007 V8 Toyota Landcruiser. This Landcruiser currently has 307,000 Ks on the clock, and the owner has advised us of a lack of performance and fuel consumption. Before any work is carried out, the vehicle is scanned for any engine codes, and on this scan we found the code P0400, so a Stage 2 clean was recommended. A Stage 2 clean involves removing the intercooler and some of the fuel lines, along with the twin throttle bodies, so the EGR and cooler can be removed to access the manifold. Once all the components are removed, they are then placed into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's a petrol or diesel engine, not all the fuel gets burnt. The unburnt fuel leaves behind carbon, which over time builds up and causes a number of issues. A loss of performance, a louder engine, lumpy idle, smoky exhaust, increased emissions, and a drop in fuel economy. Once clean, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. Now that the engine is back together, it is primed and started to see if the engine codes have been cleared. A Provent 200 catch can is also installed to prevent the carbon buildup by removing any oily residue entering the manifold. And then a Stage 1 is performed, with the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle for approximately 1 hour. The entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without any use of harmful chemicals or any damage to the engine. So contact Engine Carbon Clean to restore that power and performance.